Hi, hey, hello, hi, welcome back. Firstly, I want to thank everyone who watched last week's video. It means a lot to have even 5 or 10 of you take your time out to watch something I created. Initially, I thought someone clicked on the video by mistake and their phone froze and they had their YouTube settings on replay, so the video kept playing over and over again. If that really did happen, then thank you to that one person. I can never fully express my gratitude to you and your broken phone. In today's video, I'm showing you how to make some lovely handmade paper. This stuff is beautiful. I honestly have no idea why everyone is not writing on recycled paper. I'll probably have a series on different materials you can use to make recycled paper. I don't know, we'll see, but I'm definitely excited. I want to talk about something I learned recently from Robert Henderson about how you give your offering and what it says for or against you in the courts of heaven. Basically, in the courts of heaven, God is the judge and Satan accuses you. There's certain things that you do that plead your case for you in the courts of heaven, and one of those things is giving. When you give an offering of any kind, it testifies either for you or against you, depending on the conditions under which you gave the offering. For example, if you give money and you're angry at someone or bitter about something, or you're giving simply because whoever gave the offering message that Sunday managed to guilt trip you into giving when you really didn't want to, and you feel like the church is constantly taking your money, then your heart isn't pure and your offering will say so in heaven. Satan can then use that against you. The example he gave was that when Job gave offerings to God, it was in a way to bribe God to forgive or ignore all the wrong stuff his children were doing. Without meaning to, Job tried to pay God to not judge his children and to turn a blind eye to what they were doing. And Satan took that and used it to say that Job only worshipped God because he had wealth. In Matthew 5:23-25, Jesus explains that if you're not giving from a good place and your heart's not right, you'd rather leave the offering and figure out what's wrong, and when you fix that or make amends, then come back and give freely and happily. You can leave it with your church secretary or whoever it is that you trust in church to just say, hold on to this while I figure myself out, and then you can come back and give it with a clean heart. And so that's all I wanted to share for today. If nothing makes sense, definitely comment down below and I'll try to get back to you with an explanation if I have one. I recently learned this, so my explanation could be dodgy, just like this video. Anyway, goodbye.
Promise still stands. Great is your faithfulness, faithfulness.